Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video, we will discuss about the endocrine system, or you may see the hormone system of our body. A gland is a substance usually made up of cells or tissues which secretes a specific substance in the body. Glands are of two types. One is the exocrine gland and another is the endocrine gland. Exocrine glands are those glands which secrete their secretion in a duct or a tube. For example, salivary glands. These produce the saliva in the salivary duct, while as the glands which do not require the ducts for the production of their secretion, they are known as the endocrine glands. For example, pituitary gland, that's an endocrine gland, and a group of these endocrine glands which secrete the different hormones comprise the endocrine system. And these hormones, they are the chemical messengers which coordinate the activities of the humans and their growth. The hormones are secreted in very small amounts. They are secreted at one side and they affect at the other side of the body. There are a number of hormones secreted by the various endocrine glands. Let's discuss some important hormones in this video and their functions. We may depict this as like this: Nama gland, location, hormone produced, and functions. Hypothalamus. This gland, it's located at the base, at the floor of the diencephalon. It produces a hormone, that is the releasing hormone. This releasing hormone, its function is to stimulate the secretion or to regulate the secretions of the pituitary gland. Another is the pituitary gland. This pituitary gland, it is present at the base of the brain, at the base of the brain. This pituitary gland, it secretes a number of hormones. For example, it secretes the TSH, that is the thyroid stimulating hormone. This thyroid stimulating hormone, it promotes the growth of the thyroid glands and increases the amount or secretion of the thyroxine hormone. It produces another hormone, that's HGH. It stands for human growth hormone, and this hormone, it regulates the growth of the body. This pituitary gland also secretes another hormone, that's prolactin. This hormone, it promotes the growth of the mammary glands and the formation of milk in them after the childbirth in females. There is another hormone which is secreted by the pituitary gland, that is oxytocin. This hormone, It is responsible for the contraction of the muscles of the uterus during the childbirth in females. There is another hormone which is secreted by this pituitary gland, that is vasopressin. This hormone, it is responsible for the water balance and regulating the blood pressure of the body. There is one more gland, that is the thyroid gland. This gland, it's located in the trachea or along the sides of this trachea, or you may say the windpipe. It produces a hormone, that's thyroxine. This thyroxine, it promotes or stimulates the rate of metabolism of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Another gland, that is the parathyroid gland. This parathyroid gland, these are 4 in number and these are embedded in the thyroid gland. They produce a hormone, that is the parathormone. And this parathormone, it is responsible for increase of calcium and phosphate level in the blood. There is one more gland, that is the adrenal gland, and this gland, it is located at the top of the 2 kidneys. Adrenal gland, located at the top of kidneys. They secrete a hormone, that is the adrenaline. It's an important hormone. It's also known as the emergency hormone because it prepares the body during the emergency conditions. For example, if you are frightened by a dog or some of the animals, you run away, and if you see a wall in between of 2 or 3 meters, you jump over that wall. It's because of the adrenal hormone, because it prepares your body for the emergency conditions. There is one more gland, that's the pancreas. This pancreas, it's located below the stomach and it secretes a hormone, that's the insulin. This insulin, it is responsible for maintaining the blood sugar level of the body from high to normal. There is one more gland, that is the testes. It's present in the males. It's only present in the males, and it produces a hormone, that is the testosterone. And this testosterone, it is responsible for the development of the male sex organs, the secondary sexual characteristics in the males, and the sexual desire. Another gland, that is the ovary. It's only present in the females, and this ovary, it produces 2 important hormones. One is the estrogen, another is the progesterone. This estrogen, it is responsible for the development of the female sex organs and the secondary sexual characteristics in females at the time of the puberty. And this progesterone, it is responsible for the development of the mammary glands in females, and it also prepares the uterus for the various changes during the menstrual cycle. Hope from this short video you have learned about the endocrine system. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.